Hey guys, welcome back to Making It Up. This is officially my first video of 2018. I am freaking out, like, how is it 2018 already? Welcome back. Welcome back, guys. I'm Isa if you're new here, and today I wanted to do something super fun and simple to start off the new year, and I decided I wanted to do another installment to my Instagram inspired series. So a few days ago I came across this picture, and this is Anna Petrosian. I don't know how you say her name. I'm sorry if I'm butchering it, but Anna is the owner of Dose of Colors, and she does amazing makeup, and I saw this look and I really loved it. I thought it was super me. Warm tones are my thing, and it looked super simple, so I just wanted to not exactly recreate her look but get inspired by it, and this is the outcome. I've done a few of these videos before, so I'll link them down below or in the any corner wherever this appears on the screen. But yeah, I decided to do that, so that's what I did for today. It's only the eyes, and if you guys want to know how to get this, then make sure to keep watching. So to help me create this look today, I have my Morphe 35O palette, original one. Hello, please focus. I have all these beautiful orangey tones that can work beautifully. But I also have my Urban Decay Naked Heat palette just in case I need some of these deeper colors. But mostly I think I'll be sticking to the Morphe palette. So first thing I'm going to do is I'm going to set my primer. I already primed Urban Decay primer. Why is this happening? Okay, Urban Decay primer, and now I'm going to set that with this color right here. This bad boy. Okay, and I'm also sure that Anna is wearing the Sienna palette from Dose of Colors, I think. I don't have that, so I'm going to have to use this one, but if you guys have that one, I think it'll be a lot easier to recreate the look. But alas, we are here with this, so let's continue. So now I need a transition color. I'm going to go in with this shade right here to start off with, and maybe mix it with a little bit of this one. Let's see. And I'm also running this along the lower lashes. And now I'm gonna go in with this the muted orangey, and I'm gonna apply this right on top of that to make the transition color a little bit more orangey. Okay, so now I'm gonna go in with the super bright orange thing, and I'm just gonna be applying this all over my lid and making sure to connect it to the crease color. And this is just gonna be a light wash of color all over the lid because we're gonna go in with something on top of this. Ooh, this is bright. I'm taking this color low on my, what is this, lower lash line, because I just want it to be a little bit more grungy, so I'm making sure to smoke this out. Now last but not least, with a smaller brush, I'm going to go in with this like reddier color, and I'm just going to be applying this closest to my lid and smoking it a little bit upwards. And I'm also adding it to the lower lash line. And if you feel like you've lost the orangey touch, you can always go back with a bit of orange and add it back into your crease. And as always, I'm going to go back in with the brush that I set my lid with, and I'm just going to make sure that everything is well blended, no harsh lines, etc., etc. So for the inner corners, she went with something super subtle, so I'm just going to grab this shade right here, and I'm going to apply it to my inner corners. And I'm just going to highlight the brow bone with the shade that we used to set the primer. She definitely kept the orange theme on the waterline. She had like an orange waterline. So I'm going to go in with my ColourPop Creme Gel Liner in Puppy, which is this color right here. It's not the exact color, but I'm just going to try it on and see if it ties into the look. It's a bit bright, but I think it ties in really well with the look, so I'm just going to leave it like that. And then I'm just going to tightline with this like pencil, like brown pencil liner, whatever, that I found in my collection. It's a random one. Oh boy, the eyes watered today. They never do, but today they did. Now, she has falsies, and from what I can tell in the picture, she's not really wearing any liner, but I'm just going to apply a thin line of my NYC liquid liner. I love this, just to make sure that the lash band is hidden. Okay, so I fucked up the liner a little bit, but it's fine. I will live. Oh, it looks a little bad. But anyways, now I'm gonna go in with my lashes if I can ever find them. So Anna is wearing individual lashes in the look, but I wanted to add some full strip lashes, and I'm gonna be using my favorites of life, the Ivor wispy things. They look like this. I love them. They're very nice and fluttery, and they aren't super full, so it's perfect for this look because she didn't have super full lashes. So yeah, I'm gonna apply these. I'm gonna do my mascara. I'm gonna use the Roller Lash Mascara by Benefit, and then I'll be right back. And yeah, after I do my mascara and lashes, which were a pain in the butt today, then this look is complete. As I mentioned before, this isn't an exact recreation, it's just my take on it. So yeah, I really, really do love this look. I really like how it turned out. I think it looks bomb, even though the lashes are a little bit wonky. But yeah, let me know what you guys thought of it. Did you like this one? And let me know if you guys recreated as well. As always, make sure to like this video if you enjoyed it. I love the swatches because that gives me feedback on what you guys want to watch and what you don't. Also, if you have any like video suggestions, recommendations, also leave them down below because I would love to film things that you guys want to see. So yeah, anyways, thank you all so much for tuning in. I love you a lot, and I will definitely see you in my next video. Bye!